They're snails. And they taste like dirt as is. So we need to fix that. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my snail in a half shell. Fill this with water. We're just gonna let it run for a minute, and we're gonna get all these cleaned off. And that's only really to remove that can flavor. After about 5 minutes, we'll be able to pull them back out and clean them off. We got a brush. You're not supposed to wash your mushrooms because they'll just soak up more water. Just go around, clean it off, brush it off before you pluck out that stem. As you can see, there's a little stem left in there. Just pop it out. Time to get everything going. So we're gonna go in with our 1 stick of butter because we're gonna go in with a little extra snails. And we're just gonna get that on low heat. Then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna take care of our garlic. Everybody complains every time that I do garlic. I already peeled it. I peeled it off camera. So take your garlic, smash it. Take your garlic, smash it. We're just gonna run our knife over it, make sure it's all nice and finely chopped. We're gonna put that right in here. And since it's on low heat, I'm not gonna worry about it burning or anything like that. I'm gonna turn that heat up now that we've got our garlic cut. We're gonna go in with our mushrooms. These are just cremini mushrooms. And we're putting them in right now because we need them to soften up a little bit. Because they're not gonna be in the oven for a long time like when we do crab stuffed mushrooms or sausage stuffed mushrooms. And these are extra large snails, so they're quite beastly. These are going right in here. Okay, we're just gonna give these a nice stir. I'm gonna take it to a medium-low heat and let everything start coalescing. I'm going to add in some of the tarragon. Tarragon has a sweeter smell to it, kind of an anise, black licorice flavor to it. And we're just gonna let this start cooking down, getting warmed up. Definitely put your mushrooms in at this point so that you can get them to soften up. Otherwise they're gonna be kind of chewy. Now we're gonna put together all our wet ingredients. So we need a 1/4 cup of some white wine, dry. I don't know how much cream we got and I'm not gonna measure it. So this is how I'm gonna go about it. Add in some fresh cracked black pepper. Already added tarragon, so I'm not gonna do it here. And now, as soon as I'm happy with where everything is, I'll go ahead and I'll add in our cream and white wine. It's already smelling pretty good. Chef Dad smoked salt. So we're going in with some Chef Dad smoked salt there. A little right there. Then just to thicken this up a little bit, we're gonna add in a tablespoon of some flour. That's just gonna help thicken it up, make it so it coats your mouth. Let's get a good mix. And we'll come over and we'll check these. Mushrooms definitely have more time, but if we get a little bit more liquid in here, they'll cook a little faster. It's got that earthy mushroom, and then it's got this weird meaty flavor that's like snail. So now we're gonna go in with our cream, white wine, flour, and black pepper. After this cooks for just a couple minutes here, we'll take the mushrooms out and we'll put them in a casserole dish. And then we'll start filling them with the escargot. Just gonna lay these out cap side down. We're gonna go through and we're gonna put a snail in each one. Oh. Oh, so much better than raw. That wasn't raw. So much better than cold canned. And we want this sauce to make sure that we coat everything in there. Freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And we're just gonna go nice layer. And then into the oven for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees. This is snail in a half shell. That is a snail and a mushroom. See how it is? That's super good. Snail on their own was good, but with that mushroom, it definitely puts it over the top. Flavors 10 out of 10, really. YouTube picked that video for you. I picked that video for you. Right over there. That's the subscription button. I need everybody to push it. Like every person that watches my videos. We've gotten 5 million views in the last 2 days. I need y'all to push the button. Push it. I appreciate you.